it's Serena here. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So let's go back to the video. So today we're going to explore Tagaytay Picnic Grove Hangout. So tingnan natin kasi I've never been to Tagaytay. So
meanwhile,
wow. Wow. Zipline and just lost. Ganda. I like this. Oh, diba? Pa-chill-chill na picture. For the picture mo ng first on. Oh, pang thumbnail mo, diba? Perfect. Oh, yung laki ng Sador. Oh, picture. Shut up. I love it. Ang ganda naman dito. Siguro ang lamig dito sa totoong ano. I've never been to Tagaytay, chat. Like, literally. Wow. I love this. Oh, yes. Oh, I want to go there. Where is it fine? Tingnan, di mo masabi. Ang ganda dito, chat, ah. No joke. No joke. Wow. Wow. Okay. What? Mamamatay ba tayo? Why?
what?
I want to experience. Oh, we did not die. Okay. This place is so nice, no? I love it how they actually create this server and it made. Wow. Ang ganda, ah. Wow. Ang ganda. Okay. Let's just pretend that we did not saw anything. Hindi siya masyadong fixed yung ano yung merchant. For every 5 Robux you donated to players, you will be rewarded with 1 cent. I love this place, ha. I love the server. But, bakit walang tumatambay dito? Ang ganda naman naman. Tumambay na kayo dito. Kahit baguhan ako sa server na to, parang ang ganda na pagtambay ng mga magkakasama kayo. With your friends, hang out with your friends, and ganda. May flow pa dito. Diba? No. So, yeah. I think that's it for today, chat. Watching chat.